Hi, everyone, and welcome to this very quick overview of the most powerful seasonal trade opportunity finder on the planet. And of course, I'm talking about seasonedstocks.com. Now, there are three basic functions with seasoned stocks. Each are very, very powerful, and I'm just going to briefly go over what they are. The first is that seasoned stocks will show you every opportunity by date. In other words, I can click on a calendar and I can say, show me every opportunity that happens to occur during the third week of October. Or I can scroll back and say during June or May or January or whatever the case is. And then it will go and it will show me every opportunity that exists, every seasonal opportunity that exists. And so this is how I found the McDonald's opportunity, by the way. As you can see, McDonald's has moved up 81% of the time when you buy during the week of October, the third week of October. And then it gives a certain trade duration. But what you can do is you can click on report and immediately it's going to give you an exhaustive report. And one of the most powerful features of seasonstocks.com is the ability to give you a cumulative seasonal chart of whatever stock that it is you're looking at. And this is what McDonald's has done during any given time during the year over the last 30, I believe it's 35 years. And as you can see, over the last 35 years, McDonald's has a strong bullish tendency during the last couple of months of the year, last two and a half months of the year. And what you can do is you can narrow your search down to this 2.5 month period simply by scrolling this tab all the way down to the start date. And let's say I want to buy McDonald's on, let's say October 8th or October 9th. And then let's say I want to exit, let's say the first week of December. What Season Stocks will do is it will then analyze the statistics based on the date range that I narrowed that down to. So it's completely customized. And as you can see here, since 1988, during this time period, McDonald's has gone up almost 87% of the time during this time period. This is a 2-month time period. The profit factor is at 18. The average profit is $71, and this is based on a $1,000 investment each and every year. And so the average return is 7% during this 2-month period in McDonald's, which almost beats the buy and hold of the entire stock market over that entire time period. It's a very, very powerful trade. And as you can see, stocks have recently tumbled down over 10% over the last couple of weeks, and McDonald's is up 16% during this time. That is very, very powerful. And the truth of the matter is there are all types of opportunities like this every single week. And of course, what I do is I go and I look for the best ones that I think have the greatest probability of working out, and I send out alerts to my traders. So you'll have access to seasonstocks.com. You'll have access to the alerts as well. And then finally, you can do a search on any stock you want. So for example, let's say I want to see what Hershey's does right before Valentine's Day. Well, what I can do is I can just type in Hershey's and then do a quick search on Hershey's. And when it comes up, I can scroll down and I can look at the cumulative seasonal chart of Hershey's. And as you can see, lo and behold, not only is there a solid buy period right before and through Valentine's Day, that is a huge bullish period. There's also a bullish period right before Christmas. So if I were to scroll again from 11:20 to about the end of December, I could get the statistics on Hershey's. Tremendous, tremendous tool. You're not going to find this information anywhere else in the industry. And finally, when I am looking at the weekly opportunities or based on date, I can narrow it down through a very comprehensive filter. And so what I've done here, and I don't normally do this, but this is a 3 million volume filter. So I only show opportunities that have a volume of at least 3 million, and then data since 2006 or before. So I have to have at least 12 years of data for the opportunity to show, or I can say 2001 or 2002 or whatever it is that I want to, however long I want to go. So the longer I want, I can have that. And then, of course, there's all sorts of other ways to filter the opportunities to find what you're looking for as well. It is a very, very powerful seasonal stock opportunity trade finder. And this is your opportunity to have lifetime access to this. And believe me, again, I use this every single week. It is tremendous, tremendous tool to have and to help find opportunities you would not never find otherwise. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview and I look forward to seeing you.